United 1975 inbound from Fort Lauderdale.
24 right, clear left.
Clear left, 24 right, United 1036.
It is a 737 MAX 8 wearing the new livery.
Above Airlines 252 is also visual 24 right. 252 clear to tower, 24 right, clear left. Wind 18011. Go ahead, 24 right, Airlines 252.
I don't believe it's a special livery, but I believe it is an Evo Blue MAX 8. I'm pretty sure all the MAX 8s are in Evo Blue.
Charlie Fox, Golf, Kilo Golf, Cleveland approach, Cleveland altimeters 3005.
I haven't seen a United MAX here in the last couple of weeks.
Hey Tower, United 1975, we hit a bird right on in the flare there, right on the runway.
1975, appreciate that. If you get any damage, just let me know. For now, turn left as taxi cross 24 left.
Alright, turn left and cross 24 left, United 1975.
Let's go back and
1036 East Caution Company just touched down. It's hit a bird on the flare.
we'll have to go back and look at the video to see if we see that.
Just let me know. Winds 180, arc correction 17010.